This is where the story of ZaB, Zentrum and Berg, a unique research, education and training centre, started. Together with the management of VA Berg, we inspected the old tunnels, and here at this tunnel, the Presse Gallery, we said that this is actually an ideal starting point for this project. And we are now beginning to successively connect it with the rest of the tunnel system. We will fully extend this road tunnel north to the crosscut with all the technical features that are normally installed in a modern motorway tunnel. It'll get a false ceiling, along with exhaust air loofers, emergency call boxes, everything you find in a motorway tunnel. A crosscut between the tunnel tubes too, as we intend to give people the opportunity to train on how to escape. What must I do if I have an accident? Behind that, we will not install an inner shell. That's where we want to do our tests. This means that we want to carry out large-scale fire tests in the area beyond the inner shell so that we don't destroy anything.
We are currently constructing the tunnels until 2019. The equipment design has already started and some research projects are running in parallel. The nice thing is that we can do research at the same time as the tunnel is under construction. We have students up here, so they are highly active. Simply perfect.
Super.
We're now in the construction phase, completion of tunnelling. We're in the process of laying the asphalt in the tunnel tubes. We're asphalting everywhere except the area where the tracks are laid. There are some seminars here today, one being about underground safety. We call the project Save Mine. It's a European research project, so we've gathered guests from Sweden, Norway and Germany here today. But at the same time, we also have an Austrian seminar from the Austrian Society for Construction Technologies. It's about shotcrete, one of our main components in the tunnel. That's why we set up a consortium meeting at Montan-Universität Leoben and the Graz University of Technology to look at all aspects of shotcrete material. Operational exercises for rescue teams, fire services and the police form one of the sub-areas that we want and have to cover here at the ZaB. It's also a tunnel training centre, not just a research and development centre. We use every scenario that we stage for the fire services to continue our research, because, for example, we don't yet know exactly what temperatures our structures encounter in a fire like this. For this reason, we mounted sensors under the vehicle today, because the question is, what is the temperature under the vehicle? What temperature do we get at the crown, meaning the top of the tunnel? And how should we design the sidewalls in future? At the moment, we don't differentiate. We calculate on the basis of 1,200 degrees. Is this procedure realistic, or are we overdimensioning the structure a little? This is a large-scale laboratory. You might say we've relocated the lecture theatre to the construction office, and the lab facilities are our tunnel sections. It's a different experience sitting in the lecture theatre and then immediately seeing in practice how things really work. There's a difference between showing a fire test on a PowerPoint slide and participating live. I must say I'm thrilled to have the chance to experience things I've only recently been able to test on a one-to-one scale. Personally, I appreciate this development very much, that we can now bring international students here really easily. The lectures have been planned in English right from the start. The real car wrecks are dangerous for the volunteers who train here. In our real fire tests, we can't turn the fire off from 1 second to the next. With this simulation model, which is gas-fired, we can turn the gas off from 1 second to the next. That means safe conditions.